Quantum AI and finance. Unhackable or unstable. What if one morning you woke up and discovered that every form of money you've ever trusted, your bank account, your crypto wallet, even the credit card in your pocket, was suddenly useless, cracked open not by a human hacker, but by the unstoppable force of quantum artificial intelligence? For decades, our entire financial system has relied on cryptography, mathematical locks so complex that even the fastest supercomputers would take thousands of years to break them. That's why Bitcoin was called unhackable. That's why your online transactions feel safe. But then comes quantum computing, machines that don't play by the same rules as classical computers. Machines that can calculate in parallel across infinite possibilities. Now imagine what happens when you combine quantum computing with artificial intelligence. An AI so advanced that it not only learns patterns in markets, but also commands the raw power to shatter the encryption protecting those markets. Overnight, the unthinkable becomes reality. Every blockchain collapses. Every bank's vault of data is exposed. Every password, every transaction, every secret open to whoever controls the quantum AI. At first, the reaction would be chaos. Cryptocurrencies, once valued in the trillions, could vanish in hours. Global stock exchanges would freeze, terrified of manipulation. Ordinary people might wake up to find their savings drained, their investments gone. Governments would scramble, not just to contain the financial panic, but to regain control of money itself. But here's the twist. What if instead of destroying finance, quantum AI rebuilds it? Some scientists believe quantum encryption, using the same bizarre physics that break old systems, could create unhackable communication. If a single photon of data is intercepted, it changes state, revealing the breach instantly. In this world, quantum AI might become the ultimate guardian of trust, building a financial system so secure it borders on invincible. Yet this future raises chilling questions. If one nation or corporation gains a monopoly on quantum AI, they don't just own better computers, they own the keys to the entire global economy. Imagine a single entity deciding which currencies survive, which banks collapse, which governments prosper. Money itself becomes centralized in a way we've never seen before, controlled not by markets but by the owners of a machine. And then there's the danger of instability. Quantum AI might be too powerful even for its creators to control. A miscalculation, a feedback loop, or a strategic optimization gone wrong could unravel the entire system in seconds. What happens when an AI tasked with stabilizing markets decides the logical solution is to freeze human access to their own money? Life for ordinary people would transform completely. The very idea of wealth might shift from numbers in an account to flows of quantum-verified tokens, constantly monitored and secured by AI. Trust would no longer come from banks, governments, or even blockchain. It would come from physics itself, mediated by machines we barely understand. So, will quantum AI become the savior of global finance, forging an unbreakable system of trust? Or will it be the ultimate weapon of economic destruction, erasing centuries of human financial systems overnight? Because when money collides with quantum intelligence, the future won't be decided in boardrooms or trading floors, but in the strange mathematics of a machine that sees the world in probability instead of certainties. And now I want to hear from you. Do you think quantum AI will save our money or destroy it forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments.